How to connect GA4 Analytics with Wix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you on how you can connect GA4 Analytics or GA4 with your Wix website. Whether you're running a blog, portfolio, or an online store, tracking your visitors and understanding their behavior is key. GA4 gives you the power of insight, and today I'll walk you through step by step on how to properly set it up with your Wix website. Now, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's talk about what is Google Analytics 4 and why does it matter. Basically, Google Analytics 4 is the newest version of Google's website tracking platform. It's designed to give you deeper insights into how users interact with your website, especially across multiple devices and platforms. Now, it tracks metrics like page view, user engagement, events, conversions, and much more. Now, connecting through your Wix site will help you to track traffic sources, measure your performance of campaigns, you will understand user behaviors, and lastly, you will make smarter marketing decisions. Now, the first thing that we want to do is to head over to analytics.google.com. Here, you can just go ahead and log in with your Google account. Once inside Google Analytics, just click on the Start Measuring button. Right after, we then have to enter our account name. For example, your business or website. For example, your business or your website name. So you can just put that right here. Right after that, you then want to scroll down and we have additional account data sharing settings on our account. Now, if you want to enable Google product services, modeling contribution in business insights, technical supports, recommendation for your business, you can just select the checkbox right here. Now, I suggest turning this feature off. For example, we have this one. Now, it gives Google access through your Google Analytics account data, including account usage and configuration data, product spending, and user association with your Google Analytics account, so that Google can help you make the most out of Google products, providing you with insights, offers, recommendations, and optimization tips across Google Analytics. Right after that, you then want to click on the next button. From here, you then want to simply enter your time zone and currency. So in here, to measure your web and app data, you want to create Google Analytics 4 property. Now, each property you create holds all your measurement data for any selected websites and applications that you choose. So in here, you just have to select your time zone and your currency and your property name. In my case, I'm going to put an example property name inside this page. So let's just proceed by clicking on next. And now we are inside the business details. In here, you want to basically describe your business because it helps Google better understand your business by answering the following. Now, you then have to put your industry category. In my case, I'm going to select something like online communities right here. Of course, you can then go ahead and choose the appropriate category for your Wix website. In my case, I'll select the small option, click on next, and we are inside the business objective. Now, if you want to generate leads, drive sales, understand web and app traffic on your Wix website, view user engagement and retention, or other business objectives, you can just select these options right here. Now, I think the most important option is going to be able to generate leads, to drive sales if you're driving a commerce website, and from there, you can just choose additional options if you want to. In my case, I'm going to proceed with these two options. In here, we then have the service agreement, so you can just click on the I accept the data processing terms and click on I accept button. We are now inside the data collection where we can simply input our website. So in here, to set up a data collection for your website or application, you want to choose where you will be collecting data, the web, an Android application, or an iOS app. So let's just click on the web option. From here, you want to simply proceed by answering your Wix website URL. Right after that, you can just click on the create and continue, and you will be able to go ahead and start tracking your metrics on Google Analytics right here. Now, let's switch over to our Wix website. Basically, inside the Wix website, you can just go ahead and click on the specific website that you want to connect with Google Analytics. So let's just wait for the page to load in, and simply from here, you just want to navigate through the side category, click on settings, and inside, you then want to look for the option called marketing and SEO. So I'll just go ahead and search that right here. So you can just click on the SEO settings. From here, you then want to basically connect your Google Analytics, but how can you do that? Once again, you can just go ahead and locate it at the SEO option. Now, if it's not right here, you will be able to simply find that inside the SEO option. Now, if it's not on the SEO options, you can then go ahead and look for the marketing integration. So let's just go ahead and search that right here. Now, with this one, we'll be able to connect marketing tools to understand how people interact with your website. From here, you then have a similar type of something like an app store where you can then go ahead and choose an application that you want to connect with your Google Analytics. So let's just go ahead and read this notice right here that Google Analytics is now on Google Tag. Google has introduced a unified tagging system. With the new Google Tag, you can connect multiple destinations like Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, etc. with a single tag on your site. So let's just click on the Google Tag option. And from here, you then have to follow this on-screen instructions. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and set up your Google Tag. So let's just click on the follow instructions. And right after, it will then take us to this page. Now, this is extremely simple. Once again, just go ahead and sign in with your Google Analytics account. Click on the admin button, click on create property that we have done previously. And right after that, you just have to enter the time zone once more, click on next. And from there, you will be able to simply generate your ID. So you can just go ahead and follow these instructions right here inside the marketing integrations for Google Tag. Right after, you can then add your Google Tag, and from there you will be able to simply connect Google Analytics with your Wix website right here. And so that's how easy it is to do it. Now, if this video has been helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you're experiencing any problems, I'll try to answer them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.